Okay, guys, welcome back. I saw an advert on Facebook a couple weeks ago now, and I ordered the album savers. Basically, it's a product where it's supposed to be super simple. You just plug it in, and sort of all your photos and videos on your laptop, it will just save them all. So I thought I would give it a go because it sounded a little bit too good to be true. So it arrived a few days ago, and I actually already put it in and gave it a little test run just to see how it would do. And I mean, it worked great. It was super simple. So yeah, it arrived in this packaging. So I think I'm probably just gonna leave it in here. Just keeps your memory safe, you know. So I thought I would just do a bit of an unpackaging and plug it in, kind of show you guys what it's doing. So it's basically you just plug it in, perfect, and then let's log in. Don't look at my password, guys. Oh, it's already popped up. Okay, super easy. And then it's literally, so basically I have folders everywhere. So I mean, you can see some of them here, the rest are behind here, and it's all my summer photos, it's all my skiing holidays, family, friends holidays, everything. And because they're everywhere, I haven't uploaded them to the cloud or anything. It's a bit complicated. So the idea is you just plug it in and press start.